Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Marvel Rivals error code 2103. The error reads, "Operation frequency is too high. Please try again later." As per our research, the error occurs when players try to join matches. Many players have reported that they get this error when clicking the Start Match button multiple times. Others have mentioned experiencing long queue times or able to enter the queue, but the match never starts. According to our research, this error is caused by server issues. Marvel Rivals has acknowledged unusual server problems in their official Discord server and confirmed they are investigating the issue. As this is a server-side issue, there is nothing you can do on your end to fix the issue. But we suggest you restart your gaming device along with your internet router. Once done, launch the game and check if the error still appears. If the error continues, then ensure that your game is running on the latest version. If an update is available, install it and check if this resolves the issue. Some players have reported that if they keep trying to join, they eventually get into a match. So you can also attempt to repeatedly queue up and see if the game lets you in. If none of these steps work, the issue is likely on the server's end. We recommend keeping an eye on Marvel Rivals' official Discord server for updates from the developers regarding the error. Since this is a server-side issue, there might not be a permanent fix until the developers resolve it. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.